لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
And the Shaykh says, and this is critical here, that this character of the Prophet that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given to him and blessed him with had a great role to play in the spread of his da'wah and the acceptance of the people of that which he came with. Yani his character played a great role in the spread of his da'wah and the acceptance of the people of his da'wah due to his character, due to his manners. And the proof of this is the saying of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that the meaning of which is, it was by the rahmah of Allah that you were gentle with them. By the rahmah of Allah, due to Allah's rahmah you were gentle with them. And if you had been harsh and hard-hearted, then they would have ran from around you. The Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is telling him that if not for your kindness and your gentleness with these people, if you had been harsh with them and stern and rude and cruel, then they would have ran from you. They would have scattered from around you. But by the mercy of Allah, you were gentle with them. And this is also a great reminder to us, the benefit to the spread of Islam and the acceptance of the people of the da'wah of the Prophet ﷺ, to a great extent, it was because of the character of the Prophet ﷺ and the way he dealt with the people. And this is a lesson to us, that if we want to spread the da'wah of Islam, this pure message of Islam, of Tawheed and the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it's not just going to be by knowledge, by memorizing proofs and evidences, but the conveyor of the message must also be an example that the people see the manifestation in the one who is delivering the message of that message. You're telling people to be kind, to be gentle, to be charitable, to be merciful, to be considerate, to be just, to be fair, but you yourself do not exemplify these qualities and characteristics that you're calling to. There's something wrong with that. In this way was the affair of our noble Prophet salawatullah wa salamu alayhi. He was an imam, a leader and a model and an example of every type of character and every type of good manners.
فبما رحمة من الله لنت لهم ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لانفضوا من حولك فاعف عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر فإذا عزمت فتوكل على الله إن الله يحب المتوكلين.